Hi there. In this quiz you've got 12 questions all about the use of articles, a, an, the or no article, nothing. Each question has a sentence with one word missing. You have to choose which word is missing from the list. You've got 5 seconds to do this before you hear a bell, and then I'll give you the correct answer. If you repeat after me, this will help you remember the grammar and improve your pronunciation. After each question, you'll be given a grammar tip to help you with this quite tricky area of English. If you need more time, don't forget to press the pause button. Okay, let's go with number 1. Look, John's bought a new car. Number 2. Wow, John's bought an expensive car. Number 3. When did you buy the car, John? Number 4. John loves cars, he's got 3. Number 5. John's a lawyer, he's rich. Number 6. Look at the sky, it's so blue. Number 7. She's going to university in September. Number 8. Shall we go to the cinema? Number 9. Can you play the piano? Number 10. I see the dentist twice a year. Number 11. I'd love to climb Mount Everest. Finally, number 12. The longest river in the world is the River Nile.